Yantai Fangda Rotational Molding Company Limited, established in 2002, occupying an area of 23,144 square meters, is the key high-tech enterprise of Shandong Province and is certified by ISO 9001. Now, our company has been the one of largest research and development center and production base of rotational molding machines in China. For many years, we are committed to high technology and technical innovation, and we benefit a lot from the consistent investment on research and development. The Municipal High-End Rotomolding Equipment Engineering and Technology Research Center has been established, and 15 inventions of our company already obtained the patent right. Our company independently researched and developed 4-arm, 6-station rotomolding machine and shuttle rotomolding machine have reached the international advanced level. Our main products are rotomolding machine, rotomolding mold, grinding machine, mixer, rotomolding products, etc. Until now, our products are widely used on domestic market and also exported to more than 10 countries and regions such as Russia and Indonesia. With high quality and complete after service, our products already win high praise from clients home and abroad. We are longing to have a face-to-face meeting with you, and we sincerely hope that we can cooperate together and grow together. Welcome to your visiting.